So let's dive right into this explainer and crack the blueprint for a faceless YouTube empire. 2.3 million bucks. Seriously, that's the actual revenue from just one faceless channel, Binge Central. So what is it? You're totally off camera. It's all about clever editing and curated media. Forget that spammy AI slop myth. You're actually building legit, scalable digital real estate here.
To find your niche, balance these three things: high payouts, massive demand, and your personal interest.
The big secret? Don't reinvent the wheel. Just take your competitors' best videos and slightly improve them. Every hit video uses these exact 5 pillars. Let's break them down, starting with content. For content, reverse image search your competitors' top clips to track down that raw, untouched footage. When scripting, validate the thumbnail instantly. Then, use open loops, unanswered questions, to build major curiosity. For voiceovers, use cheap AI like 11 Labs or drop $50 on Fiverr for human personality. The golden rule of editing: show, don't tell. Literally visually illustrate every single word spoken. Never ignore the thumbnail. Desaturate backgrounds, boost the subject, and A/B test against top performers. Ready to scale? Use this exact budget guide to hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Managing a team, hire for a fast learning rate, promise growth, and fire fast for missed deadlines. Now watch those analytics. Hitting a 45% average view duration basically guarantees viral momentum. Look, it's a volume game. Treat it emotionlessly. Upload consistently every week to feed that algorithm. Seriously, you have to upload 50 videos straight before even thinking about pivoting or giving up. Finally, train a channel manager to handle daily operations. You buy back your time and scale up. So, are you ready to actually build your own profitable digital real estate empire? Let's go.